name is Christina McKeenan. I'm the owner of the Elephant Project. I started this project because I really wanted to create awareness and funds for elephants globally. I started it when I went to Thailand and saw elephants being abused and really felt like I needed to do something to make a difference for them. So I created Kiki and Tembo. 100% of the net proceeds go to organizations in Africa and Asia that help care for orphaned, injured, and abused elephants. And I think it's really important to teach our children that we can make a difference for them and give a gift that gives back. So thank you so much.